Beautiful, ain't it? It's getting a little chilly. I can't believe I did that without falling. I am in the Arapahoe National Forest, and like half a mile maybe is the road to Mount Evans, which I was gonna go to, but it's closed. So yeah, I can't go there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring you along with me to go take a shower at a truck stop. It has been quite some time. 1 week. 1 week these people in the car, they're yelling something out the car. I don't know. No, I don't know. Sorry. It has been 1 week since I had a shower, which is not the longest I've been, or not the longest stretch it's been. I went two weeks. Those were rough. But this is pretty rough right now. 1 week. 1 week is pretty rough for most people. But anyways, oh, almost slipped there. Yeah, I'm gonna be going to some sort of truck stop. Usually they're like 12 bucks. Well, I've only been going to Pilots. That's all I've been seeing. So I think there's a TA, which is in Denver. So I just gotta go back 30 miles from this place. This is a sweet lake, by the way. Let me show you. Yeah, and it's all frozen. I've been walking this whole thing. It's been pretty sick. But yeah, come join me for a shower. I'm just gonna do one more slide out. I think I'm gonna go that way. Oh Lord, so slippery. All right, that was pretty smooth. All right, let's go. Oh no. Yep, I'm an artist. Yeah. So $14 instead of, oh, I can get rid of this. $14 instead of 12 sucks. But this is the nicest truck stop bathroom I've seen. Maybe it was worth the extra $2. Not entirely sure. But yeah, cool, nice big mirror. Alright, I gotta take a shower. I feel like a new man. And I'm lightheaded, it's hot in here. That was like a good 20-minute shower. Well deserved, Logan, well deserved. Oh yeah, I got a new shirt and some pants to blend in with the locals, but unfortunately this shirt is a bit too big. So I look more hippie. Yeah. And that was a truck stop shower / bathroom. Peace.